Whoa, guys, look at this. That's China. That's Eva Air flying right overhead. Getting him as well with GoJet. Sorry to wait again on the GoJet. Oh, guys, I don't know if you just saw that. We're definitely going to keep filming here, try to get 3 things at once for this video here. We're trying to get some planes, one going on approach, another flying overhead, and some good lightning. Alright. I don't know if we're gonna see that other meme at all. Oh, there's GoJet. We're gonna try to get him. Alright. Whoa, guys, I don't know what we got here. We got something else. Couldn't tell you guys what that is. Oh, there's GoJet too. It's absolutely insane. I cannot believe we just got that. Several aircraft in the picture all at once. And there's GoJet yet again. There he is. Nice clear picture for you. Alright, whatever this is, we're gonna try. Oh, guys, there's some good lightning. What we're gonna try to do now, we're gonna try to get this guy. He is flying really, really low. Let's see if we can get a good focus on him. Whoa, guys, wait a minute. What's this? We got something else right there, too. Holy moly.